What's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video, and for this unboxing video we have vzn118497, and here we can see the sizing. We have 22 by 10, the offset is 25, the lug nut size is 6 by 139.7, the camber is 78.1, and the color is matte black. This rim is for a 6-lug Ram 1500 fitting 2019 to 2025 models. Now let's go ahead and get this open so we can show you what it looks like. And of course, we try to do everything we can to protect your rims when shipping them. So we have a couple layers to get through. And of course, guys, we send it with a felt cover so that way, if you have rims that are still good and you want to protect them, you can go ahead and reuse this and throw it on top, along with this plastic edge guard and the foam here. Now, as you guys can see here, it is a 6-lug, along with our vicrez center cap. And I believe it is our 8-spoke rim, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh no, 7 spoke rims with the Y coming off. And I love these rims. And of course they're 20 by 11, so they're quite a bit bigger. They're more wide body style. It'd go great with the wide body look with wide body tires on it as well, which we also have. If you'd like to go check those out, they are VT101. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this rim. If you want to see more videos like this, go make sure to check out our YouTube channel and make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification button to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.